Welcome to Testbed 2 Arts Center, Chongqing's vibrant, creative haven perched on the hilltop of Eling in Yuzhong district. Just a short stroll from Eling Metro station on Line 1, this spot blends urban pulse with artistic escape. Wander graffiti-splashed alleys lined with indie galleries, animation studios and pop-up exhibits, showcasing local and global talents. Quench your thirst at rainforest-themed cafes, or dine in nostalgic eateries and desserts. Hunt souvenirs in quirky shops bursting with collectibles, or sip craft brews in hidden bistros. All across 25,000 square meters of repurposed industrial magic. Open daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. with free entry. It's your perfect anytime vibe. Sunlit sketches by day, neon-lit nights. Thanks for joining this whirlwind tour. Now go